It's not the dreams that fail us, it's the lack of knowledge in how to bring those dreams into actuality. When our minds see our current path will not get us to the destination we want, we automatically shut down and go into protection mode to keep us from wasting our energy doing something that won't get us the result we want. So we end up forcing ourselves to do what we think we should do instead of figuring out what actually gets us to the destination we really desire. We all have that dream in the back of our minds, whether it's to travel, spend more time with our families, live a life of excitement and fulfillment. If our current task doesn't have a clear path to get to that vision in our minds, we feel terrible working, drag out of bed, put things off that need to be done, and struggle to focus. So what's the answer here? Most people search for something that will make them enough money to be able to chase their dreams. The problem with that is it means we automatically put our vision on hold while we try to create enough cash to make the dream happen. The even bigger problem with that is it's a never-ending treadmill of doom because that job was supposed to make us money to build our dream, but it's the same job we hate going to every day. When we don't have a clear plan and path to our goal, we lose self-confidence because even we have no real idea where we were going or how to get there. Our brains become foggy because we split our attention between how to solve the problem of getting to our dream and working a job that was supposed to pay those bills. Finally, we end up chasing one opportunity after another, trying to find anything that will solve our problem and quiet the confusion in our heads. It's like Henry David Thoreau said, "The mass of men lead lives of quiet desperation. What is called resignation is confirmed desperation." Are you walking through life resigned to the fact that you have to work in a soul-sucking job trading time for dollars just so you can hope to retire someday and finally start to live? The Roman philosopher Seneca said that plan will never work. In fact, his words are, "Aren't you ashamed to keep for yourself just the remnants of your life and devote to wisdom only that time which cannot be spent on any business? How late is it to begin to really live just when life must end? How stupid to forget our mortality and put off sensible plans till our 50th and 60th years, aiming to begin life from a point which few ever arrive." He knew it all the way back then, didn't he? Boy, the first time I read that, I knew I could no longer put off my life. I had to do something now. I had to break out of the trap of trading time for dollars and learn to create life and wealth on my own terms. I wanted to build a business with low overhead, no inventory, huge profits, and I only wanted to talk to clients that loved me and wanted my expertise. Oh, and I didn't want to have to go back to school or work for someone else or have a salary cap on my own life. I wanted to feel like I had a chance to hit it big, change the world, and make a difference. But I also wanted the security of knowing I could never be fired or laid off. I wanted my destiny in my own hands, knowing that if it was to be, it was up to me. I wanted to work as little as possible and make as much money as possible while keeping my integrity intact and impacting thousands or millions of lives in the process. I looked and I looked for the opportunity that filled all these needs, but it just didn't exist. There was no degree, no certification I could get, no job I could apply for that would satisfy me. So I had to create it out of thin air. I built a career, a lifestyle, and a passion all rolled into one. I tested it over and over. You see, I'm an engineering type, and I don't build a bridge and hope one car can make it over. I build it for 10 times the weight of the largest vehicle and test it over and over again to make sure it works for every car that drives across. It worked so well, my clients were replacing their income in as little as 6 weeks, and they were doing it by creating their own dream jobs doing what they really love to do. Now, I know what you're thinking. This sounds too good to be true, right? And I get that, I really do. But please know, that's just your mind's protection mode kicking into high gear because you don't know how to create what I'm talking about yet. Well, that's all about to change. Hi, I'm Jon Gunzel, and I'm a master success consultant. I've spent over 14,000 hours helping my clients learn to break free of old school thinking that kept them trapped in soul-sucking jobs. I teach them how to use their unique skills and experiences to create amazing, lifestyle-friendly consulting and training businesses that free them from the daily grind. Hey, we weren't even taught this was possible in school. They trained us to be good employees. That's what public schools were created for. Big corporations needed good employees who could follow directions and do what they were told. It wouldn't be profitable for them to teach us how to build our own dreams. So I get it if it's a little hard to believe, but that doesn't mean it's not possible. That doesn't explain how we exist. The consultants, the coaches, the small business owners who build their own dreams into existence in the world. You don't have to quit your day job to build your dream life. You can build it as you go, adding to your excitement, your passion, and your income each step along the way. Or you can burn the bridges and sink the boats and commit to your dream today. Hey, either way, it's up to you. Up to you to take action. Up to you to take the next step. Up to you to decide to take the wheel and steer your life the way you want it to go. We can help guide you. That's my purpose in life, to help you build your dreams. When has anyone ever offered to do that? To stand with you, shoulder to shoulder, and help you dodge the pitfalls and avoid the detours. Now, there are business coaches. There are life coaches. But when was the last time you talked to a consultant who has mastered business and knows how to help you with the finer points of connecting your logic and emotion to work for you instead of against you? We combine the knowledge and emotional support into one program. The best consulting training on the planet, plus a small group coaching and live support sessions that you need to get your personal questions answered. But hey, don't take my word for it. That's not the way we do things here. Listen to what our clients have to say, then test it for yourself. Your opinion is the only one that really matters anyway. And what's true is what's true and what works for you. Now, Pete, one of my clients, said this program was life-changing for me. I can't believe how much individual attention I received and how you answered my specific questions. That really sets you guys apart. It's amazing to find how my purpose is helping me to solve other problems in my life. Another one of my clients, Rick, said, Jon, you remind me of my favorite coach. You always know how to get results out of me. You're a natural, brother. Keep making a difference. And Nomita from Washington said, Trina coached me, and besides the content being very powerful, Trina has a knack to take you where you need to go. It's an ability that I found over and over in her. I felt very comfortable, like she had my pulse all the time. Jon is a big picture person that helped me get great clarity and a deeper perspective. Whether you just want to turn your master purpose into an amazing side income, or you want to build a lifestyle-friendly business based on your unique skills and experience that lets you live with passion and purpose and freedom every single day, we are here to guide you to become the hero in your own story. Isn't it time to play a bigger game, serve a higher role, and live a bigger purpose? I know it was for me, so we took everything we learned about how to discover your master purpose and turn it into a flourishing business and engineered it into a step-by-step system so anyone can start making an amazing income by doing what they love in as little as 6 weeks. But what could we call this system that consistently helped our clients change the course of their lives? We watched our clients turn their stories of heartache and frustration and hopelessness into massive success time and time again. What else could we call this system that helped people change the course of their story but stories to success? The name stuck, and client after client shared their stories of exciting discovery and success with us. But there was still one major thing standing in our way. You see, we were still only working with one client at a time, which meant our program, while extremely effective, was also extremely expensive. Plus, we couldn't help very many people because we were limited by how many hours we could work in a day. We decided we wanted more people to have access to this amazing, life-changing system. So we sat down, and over the course of a full year, we engineered a hybrid program that blows the doors off anything we've seen before or since. Stories to Success is now a combination of the most amazing online training course on the planet and small group coaching directly with Trina and I. It's the ultimate solution and allows our clients to get the very best knowledge combined with the best coaching and experience of hearing other members of this coaching group share and learn from their experience. It doesn't get any better than this. So you might be wondering, what's actually in the Stories to Success system? Here's exactly what you're going to get with Stories to Success. First, you'll get the Ideal Client Attraction System. This step-by-step client attraction system not only precisely identifies your ideal client, but actually attracts them to you instead of having to go and track them down. It makes it a snap for you to create a never-ending stream of clients you love to work with while automatically turning problem and headache clients away. Using the Ideal Client Attraction System allows you to wake up every day excited to work with clients who are excited to work with you. Lead a community of like-minded individuals whose energy and passion help grow your zone of influence every single day, even while you're asleep. Next, the Success Story Formula. This training module gives you the secret to capture all the gold from your own personal story and use it to connect with your ideal clients on a deep emotional level that creates authenticity and trust. You can easily convert new ideal clients into customers that thank you with their connection and with their wallets. Use the power of your experiences, both good and bad, to make a difference in the world by helping your clients see how their lives have happened for them instead of to them. With the Brilliant Branding Program, you'll end the confusion over how to brand your business. You'll be capturing the attention of your ideal clients all over the world, and they will help spread your message without even knowing they are doing it. Discover what it's like to have viral growth and to grow your following by doing what you love to do. You'll also get the Perfected Product System and the Master Product Framework. This action-based product creation workshop makes it easy to organize and monetize your skills and experience into a profitable, easy-to-deliver product your customers will love and thank you for. You're able to package your ideas into a tangible, purchasable product filled with value that your clients want, and spread your message to the world and live into the purpose and passion of your life. This one really is the key to breaking free. Finally, you'll get the Effortless Enrollments Masterclass. Trading products to customers for money is the lifeblood of every operation. That critical moment of any sale is the moment of exchange between you and a client. Learn the ins and outs of how to exchange value with your clients without having to sell. Enjoy the enrollment conversation, and your customers will thank you for taking the time to understand their needs and solve their problems. Instead of just closing deals, you'll open clients to the amazing possibilities your products deliver for them. And when you buy the Stories to Success system today, you're also going to get these incredible bonuses. Bonus number 1, live small group coaching with myself and Trina directly. You'll get 6 2-hour live coaching calls to get your questions answered personally by us, myself or Trina Gunzel, live on these calls. You'll solve personal issues and blast away roadblocks by working with us in a group of 20 people or less. You'll get the benefit from learning from this group in a safe and intimate setting where we support each other and learn from our wins and losses together. You'll be able to get your tough questions answered faster and have a greater impact on the world because you'll be solving problems with us in person instead of sitting and waiting for a solution to find you. Bonus number 2, access to the Stories to Success Live Coaching Vault. This collection of the best live call recordings holds the secret to get the very best of the training and experience from members who have been there and done that ahead of you. You'll be able to build quick confidence and learn from others' mistakes instead of making your own. By gaining access to the most behind-the-scenes struggles and victories of some of the top consultants in their industries, you'll always feel like you're ahead of the game instead of one step behind. And bonus number 3, you're going to love this. You'll get 2 tickets to Stories to Success Live. Our live event holds a secret for you to get hands-on help building the business of your dreams. You and a friend will be at our live event, and you'll have the best opportunity to get your questions answered live and in person. Finally, you'll make connections with the brightest up-and-coming members of our community and take advantage of opportunities offered nowhere else. Wow, that sure is a lot. And the fact that you're still seeing this message means there's at least 1 spot left available for you to get Stories to Success and the bonus private group coaching with us right now. When it's full, we're closing this page. So just to give you a quick review of what you get here, when you click the Buy Now button right now, you'll get the Stories to Success system, which includes the Ideal Client Attraction System, the Success Story Formula Training, the Brilliant Branding Program, the Perfected Product System, and the Effortless Enrollment Masterclass. You'll also get these amazing bonuses: 6 live personal small group coaching calls with myself and Trina to get your tough questions answered fast, access to the live coaching recording vault, chock full of the best training on the planet. And finally, the 2 tickets to hang out with us in person at Stories to Success Live. Altogether, it's a total value of $12,482. And that would be such a cheap price to pay to finally start turning your far-off dreams into wonderful memories of the things you've already accomplished. Give yourself, your dreams, and your future the gift of getting the skills you need to create the life and business you want today. And we have one last gift for you. Instead of paying $12,482 for the Stories to Success system, you'll get everything in this offer for less than the price of the live small group coaching alone. That's right. If you click the button below right now, you can get the entire Stories to Success system, the personal coaching, and all the bonuses for a paid in full price of just $2,997. What are you waiting for? The opportunity of a lifetime only comes around once in a lifetime. It's up to you to decide this is the moment you make your dreams come true. See you on the inside.